Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in CapCut so we can choose the right format for our video. Alright, let's get started. Here I have imported a video in CapCut and we're going to change the aspect ratio of the video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on ratio button right here and we just need to select the ratio that we want. And actually to choose the ratio for our video, it actually depends on the social media where you want to upload or you want to post your video. If you want to post your video on TikTok or Instagram Reels, I suggest you to choose this ratio. And if you want to post your video to YouTube, you just need to click on this ratio. And for example, I'm going to select this ratio because I want to post my video to TikTok. So I'm just going to click on this ratio. Okay, and now I'm going to resize this video. So before we resize it, we just need to click on this check mark button, and we can use both of our fingers to pinch the video. So we can tap on the video like this, and we can resize it. Okay, like this. Okay, and that's it. Alright guys, and that's how we can change aspect ratio in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.